Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now 8:45, and yeah, that's the last rice I have. Yo, let's eat. Oh, let's eat. Oh, look at this. Okay. I didn't able to make it. And again, it's flat here. This is totally no air inside. Oh, it's okay. I'm just around 10 minutes walk to the house, so I'll be just walking. So if you can see this one too, it means that it is not possible for me to put patches in here. Yeah, it is totally broken now. Yeah, I will be using the old one. I will be using this one. Oh, flat na siya. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now that time, quarter to 9. I'm preparing my breakfast. I have here this. We called it giniling in the Philippines. I pre-cook it. No, I cook it like 2-3 days ago, and I put everything in the freezer. As you can see in here, I have 2 more takeaway container, and I also have this takeaway container. This is prawns I cooked last night. In the Philippines, we called it sinigang na hipon. Yeah, basically just water, onion, tomato, and sinigang mix or sinigang flavorings, and some seasoning, and that's it. Yeah, this is sour, like it's sour soup. Yo, this is my meal. And you know, in the Philippines, when I was working in the French baker in SM Mega Mall, I always have my lunch, or you know, during my break time, I always go to the food court to eat in Pinoy Toppings. Yeah, Pinoy Toppings is like a food outlet in the food court, and they have this kind of meal. They called it Pinoy, no, arroz a la cubana. Yeah, really, that's my favorite. Yeah, arroz a la cubana. Yeah. Yo, it is now 10:32. I'm going to take a shower now. Oh no, I need to wash this first. You know this rub? This one is really good. It feels really comfortable having this. Yeah, it feels really warm and good. This is coming from Kmart. I think it's $15 or $20. Yeah, without that, now I'm feeling again a cold temperature. The temperature is less than 20. If you notice, yeah, because 2 days or 3 days ago, I organized the room. I actually planned to put this on that side and put this on that side, but I realized that the setup is the best one. It's open area, and this this looks really professional. But this is actually a chair, as you can see, and this is the box of the TV, and I just covered it with this what is tape? Packaging tape, I don't know, I forgot. Yeah, and in here I have this broken wood, and there is another one here. Yeah, this was coming from the Christmas 2018, and this one is Christmas 2017. Yeah, I'm going to clean this, and then I'm going to take a shower, and we are going to work. Yo, good morning guys. My bike is flat. Yeah, last night, yeah, I just changed the tube like 2 days ago, and if you can see this, yeah, this one, I still have extra one here. So this morning I found out that there is like a very small hole that you don't even notice even if you put in the water with soap. Yeah, then I tried to put more air here, and I found out that there is a very small hole here. Okay, so I got it. Yeah, as you can see, there is one very small hole there, and the same like this one, there is also the very small hole there, and they are exactly in the same place, in the same location. So it means that there is something on the tube, I mean on the tire. Okay, I found it. If you see this one, yeah, this is a small thorn. Look at that, a very small thorn. The last time I was punctured was when I was bike packing. When I was traveling with my bike, and I was punctured by a glass, a big piece of glass. Okay, now all good. I can put it back. I'm going to use the same tube. I'm just going to patch it, and we'll be okay. Okay, got my bike fixed. Yeah, and we're now preparing my lunch and breakfast lunch. And as you notice, I have here some frozen. This is frozen sinigang na hipon, and this one is frozen giniling. Look at this, still dirty. Okay, and I'm going to just reheat this, and we'll be adding this